I finally did it. I followed the advice of Rossmann. He always said that don't let bad tools hold you back. If you want to fix something and you're missing some tools, you should go and buy them. Don't stop. So here I bought these professional tweezers or zip ties. What do you call these? Yeah, tweezers. It says it right here. And yeah, they cost me $2. So yeah, it's very professional. 4 types. I never had such luxury. I had one when I was a child. So yeah, I don't even remember what type it was. But yeah, let's open this and let's see. Can we open this? Or we need another tool for that. Okay, this is one metallic, some sort of reverse tweezer. Another one that is more like a spatula and tweezer. Yeah. This slim or something. It's not meeting correctly. It's not symmetrical, but whatever. It was very expensive. So, and one more. That has an L shape to reach under something. So yeah. Wait, this had fingerprints on it. That's not mine. Interesting. Okay, let's get this plastic off. And see. Oh yeah. Doesn't even want to focus. I feel you, camera. These are very poor quality. But they will do the job. Oh boy, this is funny. I have to show you this close up. So I squeezed it all the way. And they don't even meet. At the end doesn't even meet. That's funny. I'll have to fix this. Okay, this one that is self-clamping. You will press it and then you let it go and it closes. This doesn't meet. Oh boy. So this is defective, faulty, whatever you call it. It doesn't meet. Nice. I have to fix this too. This one maybe usable. This one meets at least in the end. Mostly okay. And this one also doesn't meet. I'll have to fix it. But yeah, this insulation seems really nice. It's like a plasti dip. It covers the whole upper part of the tweezers. This is nice. This single part I like. And it makes it worth fixing these tools so I can use them. But yeah, I don't know why they are not symmetrical. It's not that hard making pieces of metal. I don't understand. And this is a sort of a reputable brand here. Kaufland. My project. Where's the packaging? I threw it away. My project. I had a very good experience with this brand. I bought these glue sticks, very good from them. Also colored. Oh, my project screwdriver with multiple tips. This is also really nice. It was $3. Color glue sticks. So yeah, I was very happy with it. But this package of tools, tool set, whatever, this would have needed a bit better precision. I mean, it's like 98% of the way there, but at the last, the most important part that you actually use, that is not precise. So yeah, I'll have to fix these. And yeah, $2, it was worth it, but it would have been better if they were at least a bit more precise. Yeah. So I hope you learned something. Maybe